We're gonna make this a nice, clean game, all right? No pushing, no shoving, no boxing out, all right? But play hard. So we're gonna watch all the teachers play. Oh, Mr. Ching has been eliminated. Good job, thank you. Oh, good job, Mr. Yang. All right, Mr. T, whenever you're ready. Good job, Mr. Johnson. That's the competitive. There we go. All right, we have 2 more rounds left, right? All right. All right, Mr. T, go ahead. Mr. Lu with the timing there, good job. All right, this is the last round. Let's see who the winner here is. Who do you think is gonna win? Let's get a vote. What about Mr. Ooh? What about Miss Vane? All right, the moment of truth right here. Go ahead, Mr. T. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you. So as you guys can see, even the staff love to have fun.